Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Another episode of What is the song? What's the artist? And it's also, he's reaching over here for his wine. It's a little wine, sip. This is my Zen room. It's getting finished. I'll show you some of this too later as the months and weeks and years go by. Okay, name that song, name that artist. You ready? Here's the first one. Ready? From the 1970s. It's not time to make a change. Just relax, take it easy. You're still young, that's your fault. There's so much you gotta go through. Find a girl, settle down. If you want, you can marry. Look at me, I'm old, but I'm happy. Alright, that's your first one. Who sang this? What's the name of that song? I love that song. Alright, still in the 70s. Let's do this one. Hold on. It's like I wanna live, I wanna give. I've been a miner for it's these expressions I never give. Keeps me searching for and I'm getting old. I think we're still in the 70s, maybe we're in the 80s. Here's another one. This is from one of my favorite duets. Duos. I can't figure it out. I'm going to have a little more wine right now. I'll play this one for you. Salute. Okay, ready? I'm just a poor boy, though my story's seldom told. How I've squandered my existence for a pocket full of mumbles, such as promises, lies and jests. And man, he hears what he wants to hear, disregards the rest. Ooh. La la la, la la la. Guess that guy. Who's that? Who sang that? And what's it called? Now the name, they only say it once in the song. Here's the deal. You know, I'm stuck in the 70s and 80s because, you know, older gentlemen. Actually, those were some of the best, to me, guitar types of songs. But here's one. I'm going to do an acoustic version of this one. This is something from the 90s, maybe the 200s, but it's this is for my young people out there. You ready? When she walked into the room, look her in the eye, just like an angel. wish I was special. She's so very special. But I'm a widow. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here. Name That Band. Great, one of my favorite songs. Name That Song, Name That Band. Alright, another episode of Name That Song, Name That Band. Remember, Live Life 365 isn't just about eating fried eggs and eggs and eggs and eggs and eggs and eggs. I mean, I love eggs. I eat eggs every day because they're good for you. But also, you know, we gotta do other things. I used to do walking and talking videos about all kinds of things. I've slowed down on them because, hey, you know, I just have, let me know what type of videos you want. Let me know anything you love about Live Life 365. All I know is that I love doing this and I'm gonna keep doing it for a long time. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
All right. It is on. Look at this. All right, guys. In the background, you grab you my fountain. I'll show you a picture of that. A little video of that later. Okay. Look at that, babies. Can you believe it? This is pretty up there. I think I'm gonna sing my song. Live life, live life. 365. Oh, that's not bad. So you go. Sweet baby, boom. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay. Take this off. Like this. You take it off and then you go around here. So this is the Zen room. Look at it. Check this Zen room out. This thing's pretty. Look at this thing. And there's, wait a minute, there's this, are these twins? There's his brother and there's his brother from another mother. I mean, look at this place. It's ridiculous what I got going on here. Positive minds, positive vibes, positive things. Here, look at, there's the fountains out here. Look at that, that's crazy. Look at that. Tell me that's not crazy. It is crazy, you tell me. There's other stuff there. Oh my goodness, look at those books. That's all you get.